Hi everybody, this is Joe at Joe's Premium Firewood, bringing another fun-filled, exciting video today. Today's video I'm going to be splitting some rounds directly into the back of my truck, which I have done before, but today I'm going to be using truck cam, and I've got this set up and I'll be throwing the pieces directly at you. But first I also wanted to show you the splitter, my new carburetor I got put on it, and how it's been running. These are the rounds that Jason's been cutting last week, or Jack Daniels, whatever name he's going by today. And I'll be splitting them and throwing them into the truck. The pieces that I think are still wet and might need a little extra time to sit, I'll throw those onto these pallets here. But the ones that are ready to burn today will be going right into the truck. So let me go ahead and get this started. You can see this has a choke on it now. There's the lever to pull that out. I had to put this paper clip on because the throttle wants to vibrate and move to the off position, so I got that on there to hold it in place until I figure out a permanent solution. But anyway, let's give her a pull and see if she starts. Might be bumpy here for a second. Got a few test pieces in there already. I think that aim looks pretty good. I think you get the point. This is the way to do it. I had a new customer call me yesterday, and he said he was going to get 2 truckloads tomorrow. So I might as well just fill this one up instead of loading it by hand from the dry stuff over there. And then once I get all that split, I'm going to split the rounds that you seen at the start of the video. So I guess with that, that concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. And as always, subscribe to my YouTube channel and like Joe's Premium Firewood on Facebook. Thank you.